Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. Y'all, today is just going to be a quick and simple air fryer meal with just minimal ingredients. I'll show you. We're going to be putting some Brussels sprouts to use, some sweet taters, and some Cajun style smoked sausage. Are y'all ready? Let's go. Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, let's get this meal started, okay? Y'all, as you can see, I'm not in my kitchen. Y'all know what that means. Okay, that means, Mr. Dixon, we need you to come to such and such for work. Work called, y'all, so here we are. That means some hotel cooking with nothing but a microwave, sometimes a little oven or a little one-eye burner or Instapot and air fryer. So tonight's meal is going to be done in an air fryer, y'all. And when work calls, y'all, you gotta go, okay? So I'm just going to chit-chat with y'all while I'm cutting up my vegetables. Right now I have peeled one sweet potato. Y'all, I'm going to see how much this makes because I may have enough for 2 meals out of this. So I don't want to over make because I don't want to have a lot stored in the refrigerator. So I may wind up going ahead and doing tonight's meal and then just pre-mixing some for a meal for another time. So see y'all, I had to sit down, we got here, I had to sit down, start a menu plan and grocery shopping from scratch, you know, y'all, I've got videos on that. I'm cutting up this potato and I'm putting it in a bowl with those little Brussels sprouts. Everything's going to get chopped up, put in here, we're going to toss it in some olive oil and seasonings, and then we'll do the next thing, okay? So, y'all know I have plenty of videos on how I have to meal plan and grocery shop when we're on a work trip versus when we're at home, okay? Y'all check out our playlist on meal planning, grocery shopping, shopping the sales. Y'all check out those because there's different shopping trips and different meal planning according to where I'm at. If we're on a work trip, of course, I got to go buy everything fresh. And I got to go buy all the ingredients from the grocery store. Okay? Whether it's in the produce section, the freezer section, or in a can, or whatever. Versus when I meal plan from when I'm at home. Because y'all, we grow a garden. Those of y'all that don't know us, you're just now seeing this video for the first time. Welcome, by the way. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms. And obviously the keeper when we're away, okay? So, we grow a garden. We harvest. We either can it up in a jar, home can it, or we process it, freeze it, vacuum seal it, and put it in our freezers, okay? And y'all, there's not a lot of grocery shopping we have to do when we're at home, okay? So we just go to I'll go to my freezers, I'll start meal planning, meats, vegetables, what we got, what can we put together? And they're there in my pantry, in my freezers, y'all, and it's so much easier. Y'all, I really hate having to go to the grocery store and get things because I'm like, I got pinto beans at home. I got corn, squash, zucchini, sweet potatoes, butternut squash, okra, pickles. I got all this at home. Tomatoes, peppers, onions, cheese. I'm like, okay. But y'all, you can shop wisely if you know what you're doing, okay? y'all go check out that playlist. I do meal planning, and I show you and I give you grocery shopping tips from whether or not you're doing it, you know, home canned or something, or you have to go to the meal planning, either way, or you're going to the grocery store and you got to go grocery shopping and you don't grow your own food. Okay, so y'all go check out that playlist. So I'm gonna continue to chop and try not to chop my fingers off, y'all. Okay, because I'm using their cutting board, and it's a glass one, and I may change because I don't want to break this one or anything, or drop it and break it. So all I'm going to do, y'all, is get all of my vegetables chopped up and this sausage, toss it around in some seasoning, and we'll see how much we got. And I may pre-mix another batch, throw it in a Ziploc bag, put it in the freezer, get it out for another time, and have 2 meals, y'all. Today's grocery list was just very small because we're in the middle of the week, and I just needed, you know, just a couple of nights worth. But I think this is gonna stretch, y'all. And also, when I went grocery shopping, y'all, I couldn't pass up the deal. Even though I was buying just for a couple of nights, I found a big pack of chicken thighs that was on sale and had been marked down. And we use Kroger a lot, and also you get some deals if you use your Kroger card. Y'all, about 10 chicken thighs in this package for less than $5. I was not going to pass that up. I'm going to have that for another meal. That'll be another video. I'm only going to use 3 there, 2 for him, 1 for me. And what's left, y'all, I'm going to package them up into some Ziploc bags, throw them in the freezer. That starts for some more meals down the road. Y'all, I couldn't pass that deal up. Milk was on sale for $1.99 for a half a gallon. Do y'all think I passed that up? No. One we're going to use now, and then the other one I put in the freezer, y'all. Y'all, you can cook with frozen milk after it's been thawed out, and you can still drink it. All you got to do is after it's been thawed out, give that baby a shake, y'all. And there's no difference, okay? So, I just had to tell y'all that my grocery shopping trip today was just the most expensive items, y'all. Oil and some honey, because I was making him some granola bars to take to work, to snacky on. Healthy ones, y'all, for him. So, that was the 2 most expensive items, and I spent under $55. So, we're going to possibly get 2. And then there's no telling how many more meals we're going to get out of those chicken thighs. I made him some granola. So, y'all, he's got snackies. We've got more than 2 nights worth of meals because he's going to be off for a couple of nights. I got to peel this one. He's going to be off for a couple of days, and we're going to use that time to just check out some local restaurants. You know, we like to do that. So, yeah, my grocery shopping trip was kind of small right now, so, and then a good start to the next one. But y'all, if you can't pass up a deal because you don't know when they're going to go back on sale, grab them then, repackage it, freeze it, whatever. So I'm going to finish cutting up these vegetables, toss it in some oil and some seasonings, y'all. It doesn't matter what seasonings you use, just what fits your taste, okay? And then I'll show you what we're going to do, okay? All right, y'all, I'm going to show you what I've done. Okay, y'all see that? Y'all, all I did was chop up my vegetables, add some oil and some seasonings. So, all we're going to do is we're going to put this little spoon right there. We're going to put the drawer in here, and we're going to cut this on. I'm going to say about, on my little thing over here, my little guide, I'll show. There's my 2 little guides, y'all. Y'all, these are in our Amazon store, and I travel with these, okay? So, and there's one for the Instant Pot, okay? So, it said in there, $3.80 for sweet potatoes, but that's baked sweet potatoes, so that means the skins are still on. These are already finely chopped up, so I'm still going to do $3.80, but the sausage is already pre-cooked, kind of, because it's smoked, and the Brussels sprouts have been kind of flash froze a little, and all you have to do is steam those in the microwave, but I'm going to roast them in here, bake them in here. So those two things are not going to require a lot of time. And the sweet potatoes, since I diced them up, and they're going to be paired with that sausage and the oil, and that juice and that grease or that oil is going to incorporate in with the sweet potatoes, it's not going to take them long to get done at all. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at 380, like it said the temperature, but I am going to, where is my, okay, minutes. We're going to do this for about 20 minutes, y'all, and then I will check the taters, and if they still need a few more minutes, I'll just give them a few more minutes, okay? That's all you do. You can dump this in here and walk away, but don't go too far, because mine alerts me halfway through to shake the basket. So halfway through, I will check this, okay, and see, just about judge about how many more minutes. So we're going to check the time, and we're going to go up to 20. And I just hit the start button. So we'll come back, and I'll let you know what we're doing. Y'all want to know what I did with that other one? Put it all up. Put my oil and my seasonings in here. Gonna give it a little toss around and a little shake. I'm gonna let the air out of it. And we're gonna put this in the freezer for another meal one night. All you gotta do is just take this out, let it defrost, throw it in there, let it cook. Got another meal for another night. All right, y'all, here it is. I did have to wind up keeping it in there for 30 minutes, y'all. And we got it all plated up. That's supper tonight. Y'all enjoy.